Okay, so I recently finished the series Tidying Up with Marie Kondo on Netflix, and I got inspired to clean out my closet. So I have been taking things out of my closet. I'm not doing all my clothes at once just because my condo's quite small and I don't have the space to put everything. So I'm going to be going like section by section. So right now I'm just putting things back. I have some clips of me kind of taking things out and going through them all, but I've been kind of inspired to get rid of a lot of things, and more or less I think like when you buy something new you potentially want to like pick something out that you don't want anymore, kind of do that like swap. But I figured that it would be kind of like a decent video to show you guys on what I do today and how I've been cleaning. So right now I've got like most of my stuff, so all our sheets are in the wash right now. They're being cleaned. It's Saturday. We always do our sheets on the weekend. But right now I've kind of got like everything spread out everywhere. So I'm doing my closet first. I've actually have like over here I have a pile of things to be donated. I'll flip, can I flip this? I don't think I can flip it around, but like over there on the top I have some things that I don't exactly know where I want to go yet. This I still have to go through. The stuff that is up there I've already gone through, and then the stuff like kind of spread out all over the bed are things that like I'm not too sure exactly what I want to do with yet or where I necessarily want to put them. So I still have to go through 2 of the bins inside my closet, and then I have 2 bins up there. You can see the white ones. Where's my arm? You can see the white ones right there. Those 2 are mine. It's not overflowing. The sweater's just falling out. So I have to go through those. This half of the closet is Matt's, so that's his own side. He'll do that on his own time. And then I have our drawers over here. So I've got one like underwear pajama drawer, and then I've got one t-shirt and pant drawer that I want to go through. So I figured I would kind of bring you guys along on me sort of starting to tidy up my life or my closet or my clothes. So I need to get rid of some stuff to kind of make room and to reorganize, because I kind of find that I don't really wear a lot of the clothes that are in my closet just because I don't see them. And so that's what we're going to change today. So let's get into organizing. Hopefully this works because I have to get rid of a lot. Okay, so I've taken everything out of the bins that were supposed to be right there. I actually have pants in those bins, and I have pants in my drawer in my dresser. So I'm thinking that I can possibly take the pants out of the drawer in my dresser and kind of reorganize them and put them so they're all in one spot, because it's kind of all over the place right now, and there's definitely stuff in my dresser that I don't use on a regular basis. So those items would probably be items that I could put like up top here, and take things that I use like jeans, pants for work, those kinds of things, and leave them in my actual dresser. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the items out of my drawer in the dresser, and then we'll go through those and kind of reorganize, because I haven't put away the items that were in those bins. I just left them empty because I wanted to leave them for like complete organization, because I didn't want to like put them back and then have to retake them out again. So we're gonna do that. I do have some stuff kind of like laying around, and all the stuff laying around that I use on a regular basis, so I know these are items that I'm going to want to keep. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll see where that takes us. All of this stuff right here is everything from those 2 bins and 1 drawer in here. Everything needs to go back into some place. I kind of organized it so that way this is like more my loungy, workout, legging kind of things. Those are all like dress pants for work. Those are all sweaters, and those ones are like jeans, ripped jeans, those kinds of things. So all of this can, well, those will have to be hung, but all of these can probably go into those 2 bins. I'm hoping that all the comfy clothes can kind of fit into one. It all depends on how I fold everything. And then these t-shirts and stuff right here can go back inside my drawer, but I'm definitely gonna have extra space. So I'm kind of hoping to do like my comfy clothes first to see how that goes, and potentially keep some of my jeans that I wear on a regular basis and put those inside one of the inside the drawer. But as you can see here, like I've got sweaters I wear all the time, like socks and stuff. Those are things that I wear all the time. Like I mentioned, we're doing laundry, that's why everything's over there. So that's kind of the situation we got going on. But what I definitely want to do is make sure all of this is cleaned up before I tackle those two bins right there. One of them is shoes and one of them is scarves and belts. So that's jewelry. That's a whole other thing. I need to figure out where I want to put my jewelry because I'm not wearing any of it because I can't see it. So let's get to figuring out what the heck we're going to do with all of this stuff right here. Okay, so I just finished cleaning out my dresser and my closet. The only things left that I have to do are the two bins underneath my closet, but Matt and I have a lot of errands we have to run, so I'm gonna probably save those for tomorrow. It's honestly shoes, and I cleaned them out before I moved, so there's likely nothing that I'm going to get rid of in there. They're honestly like running shoes and like Stan Smiths and stuff from Adidas that I wear in the summertime. I'm obviously not wearing them now because it's winter here, so they're all gonna stay. It's more or less the scarves that I still have to go through, and I already went through those, but I feel like if I'm not wearing them and it's winter time, then I should probably get rid of them. But this is also a good opportunity for me to be able to go through and refold them and see if I can start wearing them. But I do have some belts in there, things that like I do eventually need to go through, but I just don't have time right now. But I ended up getting rid of quite a bit of stuff. I will show you the result of my drawer with all of my t-shirts and long sleeve shirts in it. I'm going to show you the stuff I'm getting rid of. I'm going to show you my closet. I'm going to show you the things I'm getting rid of, and I'm going to show you my dresser drawer. So let's get to it. Okay, so first, this pile right here is all of the stuff that's going to be donated. I've got sweaters, I've got jeans, I've got t-shirts, I've got cardigans, tank tops. There's a whole pile of stuff, and it's crazy to look at that and think that like all of that was like in my closet or in my dresser, and it's stuff that I wasn't wearing. So I figured that I will donate those. My mom has a pile that she kind of takes once in a while, so I'm going to bring those over to her place, and she'll bring those to Value Village or Plato's Closet, because we can potentially get some money back for the items, some of the items that are in here that are like more designer. And then this is what it looks like now. So this is all of my clothing. There's actually space in here. We're replacing these like wooden hangers with the velvet ones. We just have to go get them from our front hall closet, and then that way they're all gonna be velvet hangers. The bins up here, I don't want it to fall, but it is all organized in the way that Marie Kondo folds her stuff. So these are all the jeans I wear on a regular basis. And then over here are all of my comfy clothes and workout clothes, and underneath are like all of my leggings. And then we're going to go over here to my drawer, which is like, I'm so proud of. Just look at that. It actually closes, guys, and everything and more fits in here. Like, it's crazy. All of this, I had all this space, and I was like, well, instead of me putting it in the closet, why don't I just fill it with drawers, because they're sweaters I wear on a regular basis. So I've got like plain t-shirts here, I've got my graphic tees, I've got my tank tops here that go underneath things, and I've got my turtlenecks and my long sleeve shirts that are like kind of graphic-y. So yeah, that's everything. The top drawer here is my underwear drawer, which is like narrower than these drawers. So I don't know how I'm going to tackle this one, but we will get to that another day. I already folded my pajamas, but I also don't really want to show you guys my underwear drawer. So I'm going to close this up.